everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Ring application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log out of your Ring application, then the process is quite simple. From the main homepage of Ring app, tap on the menu bar at the top left. Now, tap on Account Settings from the expanded menu. Scroll all the way down until you see Sign Out option at the bottom. Give it a tap and tap on Log Out in order to log out of your Ring application. You'll be redirected to the main interface of Ring, which looks like this. Now, if you ever want to log in back to your account, you can simply tap on the login button from the main interface and follow the on-screen prompts. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of a Ring application using mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.